Welcome to Dorchester Heights National Historic Site. The monument here was completed in 1902, and this monument and these grounds are preserved to commemorate that in 1776, on a cold March morning, fortifications were built on this hill, towering over Boston Harbor and Boston itself, which was then occupied by British soldiers. By fortifying these heights, the British Army would evacuate. It was the first victory under the command of General George Washington. Now, unfortunately, this monument, it's quite old. It's seen a lot of wear and tear, a lot of weathering, and the exciting news is the plan is to eventually restore and bring the monument back to its former glory. But in the meantime, we here at the National Parks of Boston took the opportunity to install webcams on all four cardinal directions at the top of this monument. It has unparalleled views of this entire cityscape, and we're excited to put these cameras in and eventually share it with you.